Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on a Sony Xperia 10.4 using app called RAR. So in order to do this, first you will need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's find the file that we want to unpack. Here select this RAR file, click on this arrow pointing up. Now we'll be able to change extraction options, and the first thing is to click on browse and select destinations where the files will be unpacked. You can also change any options right here, and when it's ready click on OK. And we've just unpacked our files. Now let's move to the folder that we set as destination, and there's 3 pictures right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.